Yes, because I have registered 9 modules, but I don't get my personal allowance. Okay. If you register 5 modules in a year, you'll only let me just start from the beginning. 1 up to 4 modules, you only get book allowance per each module. I think that is 600 or 700 and something. And then if you register 5 modules up to 9 modules, you only get book allowance, which is going to be 5,460 once, and then that's it. But if you register 10 modules to 12 modules in a year, that's where you'll get personal care allowance. But if it is 9 going down, you don't get personal care allowance. So my advice is that on this upcoming semester, add another module so that it could be 10, and then you can start getting personal care allowance. If you add another module, you'll start getting that personal care allowance starting from February up to November. So, but if it is 9, just know that you're just only going to get book allowance, and then that's it. They cut it there.